What's up guys, the Rogue Vet back at you with another video today. Now today we're going to be doing a POV video style, and you can see here's the GoPro stuff in my in the bag here, and we're going to be driving in the car today, just doing a couple shots. I want y'all to be able to hear the exhaust sounds and stuff like that, and just do a cool POV style video for y'all. But let's go ahead. Alright guys, safety first. Got to go ahead and get the seatbelt in, push button start. Get my AC flowing. Alright, let's go ahead. Throaty exhaust sound. Look at this. Now that is beautiful. Oh yeah, I gotta stop for this. Let's see, maybe right about here. It's absolutely beautiful. There's a lot of mist coming this way though. Send it for the boys. Send it for the boys. right guys, well, that's the video there. I just kind of wanted to drive around, test the GoPro again to see if, you know, doing the POV type video would be cool to do. So that's pretty much it there. Links will be in the description below if you are interested in buying the GoPro Hero 9 or anything like it and all the accessories that I've used. But pretty much, yeah, hope y'all enjoyed the video. All right guys, this is the Rogue Vet out. Until the next one, peace.